Ever felt like your money just slips through your fingers, no matter how hard you try to budget? You're not alone. Millions of people struggle to keep track of their finances. But what if there was a tool that could help you take control of your money, automatically? Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance apps and focusing on one that's gaining popularity, PocketGuard. It's a financial app designed to help you save money, automatically. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down. How PocketGuard works, a step-by-step guide. Link your accounts. The first step is to link your bank accounts and credit cards to the app. Don't worry, your financial information is secure. PocketGuard uses advanced encryption to protect your data. Track your spending. Once your accounts are linked, PocketGuard starts tracking your spending. It categorizes your transactions so you can easily see where your money is going. You can see how much you're spending on things like groceries, dining out, and entertainment. Identify savings opportunities. This is where the magic happens. PocketGuard analyzes your spending habits and identifies potential savings opportunities. It might suggest cutting back on subscriptions you're not using or finding cheaper alternatives for everyday items. Set savings goals. You can set specific savings goals within the app. For example, you might want to save for a vacation, a new car, or an emergency fund. PocketGuard will help you stay on track by suggesting how much you should save each month. Automate your savings. One of the most powerful features of PocketGuard is its ability to automate your savings. You can set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your savings account. You can even schedule recurring transfers to ensure you're saving consistently. Additional features to explore. Bill negotiation. PocketGuard can help you negotiate lower bills for services like cable, internet, and phone. Credit score monitoring. Keep track of your credit score and get tips on how to improve it. Financial insights. Get personalized financial advice based on your spending habits. The benefits of using PocketGuard. Save money automatically. Let the app do the work for you. Gain control of your finances, understand your spending habits, and make informed decisions. Reduce financial stress, simplify your finances, and achieve your financial goals. Is PocketGuard right for you? PocketGuard is a great tool for anyone who wants to take control of their finances. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned saver, this app can help you reach your financial goals. By understanding how PocketGuard works, you can harness its power to improve your financial well-being. Remember, taking small steps can lead to big changes. With PocketGuard, you're not just saving money, you're investing in your future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.